The success of a contact center deployment oftentimes rides on data integrations in your environment and how well the system integrates with data and databases to give the agents the tools that they need. Obviously, it's important that agents have all the correct information so that they can give the caller the best possible experience. One of the most important integrations is a simple call pop that can present CRM information to the agent prior to them receiving a phone call. This allows them to greet the caller by name, see important account information right on screen without needing to do time-consuming data collection from the caller. This is also very helpful for things like cross-department call history, being able to see a timeline of previous interactions that this caller may have had, ticket history, or any other events that may have taken place that might be relevant. This can be used for things like agent notes and prior commitments and scheduling, giving the agent all the context they need. Few things are more frustrating for a caller than speaking with an agent that seemingly has zero context of previous interactions that I've had, and making sure the call pop pulls the relevant information for the agent in an instant is important to avoiding that. Another integration point that can help give the caller a good experience is an IVR system that is well connected to databases internally to handle the caller's request efficiently. Let's take a look at this call that is coming into the CRM. Of course, the system is going to greet the caller, it could even mention them by name, and do a data lookup into the system to see what level of support this caller has. In this case, let's say it determines that this is a Premier Support client. It can recognize that and send the call directly to the Premier Support team for them to engage with the caller. However, if it finds that the caller does not have Premier Support, we can still take the necessary steps to create a new ticket in ServiceNow, gather the necessary information from the caller to enter into that ticket, and the end result is a transfer to the team with a ticket already created and ready for the agent to engage. This is just a very basic example. There's lots more that can be done within the Landis IVR Builder, things like automation, creating natural language voice agents that can help the caller in a wide variety of situations. These are just a few integration use cases, but we recognize that every environment is unique. We'd love to discuss with you your vision for your contact center and how we can make sure your agents are well equipped and your callers are well cared for.